What inspired me to cook is probably my mom. She used to put in a lot of care and love into her cooking. I think this was her way of showing us love. Hi, my name is Mariza. I'm a Lebanese Canadian. My experience with ICCA is a very, very good one. The interaction with the chefs has been amazing. They've been very, very cooperative and they explain thoroughly. All questions asked have been attended to, and even the staff, they're friendly, and the atmosphere with the students, even the professional students diploma, they're very helpful. And with the washing, it's nice to see that everybody helps everyone. The main thing I believe that I take from the that I'll take back from the ICCA experience is the variety of cultures that the chefs were able to invite us towards, because a lot of us are maybe restricted with our own culture, and the chefs were very competent in showing us the different varieties of cultures that can be portrayed in our dishes.